Thermostat installation. Before you start thermostat installation, ensure that all necessary safety precautions have been implemented. Let's get ready for the installation. Take a look at what's inside the box. If the zone thermostats are to be installed vertically, please leave a gap of at least 50 millimeters. Let's review the premium zoning system and clarify the location of each unit in the system. Let's start the installation. Insert the edge of the slotted screwdriver into the groove at the bottom of the mounting plate. Push and turn the slotted screwdriver to separate and remove the thermostat from the mounting plate. Do not insert the slotted screwdriver into the tab part beside the groove. The tab may be damaged. To mount the controller directly on the surface of a wall, secure the mounting plate onto the wall with M4 x 16 mm screws. Plug the connector of the connecting wire into CN1 connector and connect the supplied cable to the field supplied cable with suitable connectors or by soldering. Insulate the connections with electrical tape. Attach a cable tie to the cable on the inside of the draw-out hole. Attach the controller body to the mounted mounting plate. Be careful not to pinch the cable when attaching it. After installation, remove the protective film from the LCD screen. Thermostat installation has been done successfully.